I had a question from Annie who is asking, what are you currently occupying yourself with? Because hatukusikii kwa radio, uko wapi? Haya basi, jibu maswali. Tina.
Okay, I said, yes, I'm currently not on air. Like I said, at times you have to be underwater, chini ya unaingia mitini kidogo, just to sort of expand and do other projects and work on other things and build your skill set. But like I said, I've learned a lot of things. I'll just put it like this. I'm very good at procurement. I'm very good at business oversight, marketing, and, just helping people restructure and keep their businesses together. That's what I've been doing. And of course, raising family and my many cats.
Right.
Tuachie hapo.
Aya basi, aya. Umesema many cats. Unajua unatumia kizungu sana. Uliingia na kizungu.
Nimesema many cats. Paka, manyau, kinyaus.
You are mother cat?
I'm mother paka.
I almost thought it's mother father, but it's all right. She's mother paka. And that's news. That's news. Why do you love cats?
I've loved cats. I think I've had cats almost all my life, from when I was as young as I could remember. So I just like cats, but these ones we ended up having them by accident. I had no intentions of having cats at the point we got them. So my son rescued a cat somewhere, he brought it, ikaenda ikafanya mambos, we ended up with other cats.
Wait.
Yeah,
so
in a nutshell.
I love this. So your son rescued a cat. It was a stray cat.
Yeah.
So
it was a very tiny kitten.
Ikakuja, ikaamua kukuwa mtoto mbaya.
We even gave the boyfriend a name. We decided his name is Thuo.
Thuo.
Alienda katafuta Thuo, akafanya maneno na Thuo. Alafu maneno ingine ikafanyika.
Mambo ya paka. I told cats to remain where they're supposed to be, but and the other day I was telling people, you see, hakuna kitu mzuri kama kusumbua paka. Umekaa tu hivyo unaiona, you start giving its voice. Do you do animal sounds?
Yes, I do, all the time.
Give me your favorite animal sound.
Meow.
What is it communicating when it says that? Because I know animals make different sounds.
Yeah,
so
they do. Like for cats, I can say like there's this grr meow, like a grr. They start with a grr. They literally want their tummies to be rubbed. Then like this, I don't know if you heard at some point some background sound because I'm in my room. A sound like a sort of banging sound. This crazy cat knows how to open my door. So if I lock the door and she wants to come in, she jumps on the handle and pulls it down. So yeah, she's a terrorist. She's a very crazy terrorist.
All right. So what other sound does it make except the one that you want a tummy rub?
There's the annoying one for hunger where it's a meow that sounds almost like a growl. It's a wow, something like that.
Okay.
Which is very annoying.
I'm gonna be
your
cat for now. Tell me which sound I'm making if it exists. Okay.
Okay.
No, vile watu wananiangalia. They are waiting for the cat sound. You guys are not even normal. Like, nyinyi tu watu wazima mmekaa hapo mnaniangalia mnangoja nipige sauti ya paka. What's wrong with you? Aya basi. Meow. Nimemaliza.
Kwani the cat is dead? We haven't said anything. Oh, yeah, that's for mine. That's usually the ones for between, like almost at feeding time, when now they're trying to tell you, now you woman, you're being annoying, like feed us now. Like now would be a good time. You're wasting our time.
There's another one they make.
The grrr sort of sound, like when they're being rubbed.
Yeah,
that's comfort. They're happy. They're happy. Yeah, they're very happy.
Do you know when a cat is actually scared or feeling threatened? Is there things they do?
There's a way they lift their paws sort of. Then of course the fur and the tail becomes puffy and the spine like curves upwards. That's a very terrified cat.
Oh, no.
Or in the case of mine, they just hide under the kitchen counter.
Wamesema wewe deal na mwenye nyumba. Mimi hata sijui you mama.
You know, let me tell you, people come to my house and they think I'm crazy. They don't think I have cats because you won't see them. Yeah, they send someone that they don't know coming into the house. They go and hide under the kitchen counter. There are very few people who can actually say they've seen them for more than a second. And they keep quiet until you go.
All right.
Yeah. Very
Aya,
strange.
aya, basi, aya. Now that we've done things about cats, I want you to give me your other other animal sound, because I have many.
Yeah, maybe your
Yeah.
thought should be I'm not that good at impersonation, by the way, unless when I'm actually around that particular animal.
You love
The
dogs.
thing that is like, I love dogs. I absolutely
Give
love
me your
dogs. Yeah. If I
dog.
could have a dog,
Give me your dog style sound,
do I sound like
like a sound
I
that
sound like
the
I used to
dog
speed?
produces, like the stylist dog, like
a
inabweka.
stylist dog?
Oh, yani inabweka kama mbwa.
Eh.
Eh. No, we need to know your talents,
Gosh.
because I'll be hiring soon. We need more comedians here.
You're just banging yani dog iko na homa.
Mimi najua kuna kengine to puppies. You know a puppy, right? It's the young one of a
Yeah.
dog, right?
Yeah.
Kuna sauti huwa ina
Of
make.
course. Hey, kumbe you have other talents. Radio ikikataa kazi kisha unaweza kuwa impersonator.
Na by the way, mdosi asinifute. Bado niko in character. Hii ni kazi nafanya. We are trying to establish other talents that we have.
You're listening to Court FM. Let the music play.